it a new file name? When it uploads, like there's a bulk uploader on YouTube that just lets me. Before I knew all of this stuff, I just loaded them up one at a time, you know, and then, yeah. Now I download it on my computer, and then I upload, and then I identify the file where all of these are. And the problem is trying to tell too much detail or trying to tell the score or all that sort of stuff, and it takes hours. So what I try to do now is I identify it as Bank Shot Billiards, and then I go through, and then I say who's in the final, and then I put the same description on each of them, and then I maybe tonight it takes about 2 hours for every hour that I shoot to upload it. And so I just turn it on high speed overnight. And then in the morning when I get up, I see that it's loaded, and then I have to do some more work on it.